What's up, social media expert? On this video, I'm going to share with you our snapshot that we created for Go High Level users and social media expert like yourself. So if you're ready, let's begin. I think I already shared this with you. The playbook that we use for our clients here in Canada. We're already managing different social media accounts here in Canada for almost 8 years, and that's why today we want to show you the playbook that we use to help the business owner. For this specific video, we're going to share with you the specific niche for barbershops, nail spa, and salon. So just in case you have a new client in your marketing agency and this is one of your niche market, you are on the right video. So let's go to our playbook. So the playbook is very simple. We start from the website. This is because the website is our media. This is our tool. This is our way to get leads. But when you are building website, I want you to remember the 5 components on our website. The first one is about us, and also the services, the portfolios, the Google review, and the last one is the contact us. It's very important your customer, once they visit your website, they're able to understand who you are and what you do. They also understand the services that you provided, and also they will able to see your portfolio, able to support that. If you say you are one of the best, you're able to showcase the best product, the best service on your website. And lastly, you need to have a call to action or contact us, so that when people really love you and they like to get your service, they have a way to contact you easily. But anyway, on the playbook that we created, we want to create a call to action. The call to action is book an appointment. That's totally our objective. And the next one is once they click the book appointment, we need to have a calendar. And the best thing with the Go High Level, you don't need to have different software such as Calendly, because there is a appointment booking calendar inside the Go High Level. So once you created the calendar, the next step is to accept payment. So once they click an appointment, they selected the schedule, you need to have an options to pay a reservation fee. Ideally, that's what we want to do. Again, you need to talk to your customers, to the business owners if they prefer to have this. But the idea, just in case that they will ask you, the idea of asking for reservation is number one, to make sure there is no show in your customers that already booked. Make sure there is a highest rate of bringing people to the store. And also, if there's a reservations, it means that these people that are calling you or booking an appointment are so serious. That's why they're willing to do a reservation fee. And also, this is also a non-refundable. So this is one way to guarantee of how many people that you will have for this day, for this week, or for this month. So this is a very good matrix, especially if you are paid per leads. So again, accepting payment, we can do this inside the Go High Level. You don't need any other software to do these steps. The second step is booking auto reminders, wherein we want to make sure once they pay the reservations, we need to remind it every single day or maybe every other day. This is one way to number one, to increase your show, to increase or to decrease the no-show and to increase the customer coming in to the shop or to the barber shop or to the salon spa. Auto reminder will also give us an opportunity not to refund our reservation fee because we are religiously reminding our customers. So just in case that this customer is not able to show because for whatever reasons they're not able to go to your store, then you have the right not to refund because you are religiously reminding them about their appointment that they set up. So this is just one way to make sure that you can get the reservation. Number two, to make sure that they will attend or join or show up on our booking schedule. The next one is right after the service. For example, you are a spa after the making, services, or maybe you're a barbershop or a hairstylist. After rendering the service, you need to have an automatic Google review request. That's why we already created it for you here. And also after a month, which is probably roughly 20 days, send an email to the customer at least for 10 days to make sure that to remind them that, hey, customer, our barbershop is here and we are ready to help you with your hairstyle. So this is something that you can do. As a bonus, you have also the first time visit promo wherein they can opt into the promotional that we have. But again, this is for only for the first timer or walking. So this automation will help us to increase our sale. So this is the playbook that we have. If you want to see the step-by-step process, how I'm able to build the the workflow or the playbook for barbershop, I want you to go to the link and click the link in the description below and watch the entire video, the step-by-step process, how I'm able to set this up to our Go High Level account. Once again, it's me, KapJoey of Social Media Expert. I'm so happy to have you here, and we are creating content every single day to make you an expert. Maraming salamat po, and I'm signing out.